Hey guys, so finally we have got a custom ROM for the OnePlus 13s, and all the credit goes to the developer for building this ROM for this OnePlus 13s device. So out of all the OnePlus series, the 13s is the least popular one, which is naturally why it has quite less number of custom ROMs available. So we actually do have a build over here, and the developer is still fixing some of the other things for the next update. So let's look at what are the things that are working. So you can see everything else is working pretty fine. The Wi-Fi is working, the Bluetooth is also working, the mobile data is working, and both of my physical SIM cards are working. You'll also have eSIM working on the build that you download. The network connections are your issue. Do not worry, on this build everything is actually fixed. Now if I just go to settings and then I just go to the about phone section and I check the software information over here, you can see the Android version. This is the Evolution X version 11.7 with the Me security update over here. And you can see the OnePlus device as well, and along with the build date that is towards the bottom of the screen. Now in order to install this ROM, the only thing you have to remember is that this is an ARB1 based ROM. So if you are on ARB0 and you didn't update to ARB1 software, you can definitely flash this ROM, but the only thing is next time you will not be able to downgrade to the ARB0 ROM or stock ROM. So you will have to stick to ARB1 or above stock ROM files. That is the only disclaimer over here. And of course there are a couple of bugs in here, but most of the things are working. I'd say up to 95% of the things are working. If you have some of the OnePlus exclusive features, so it is also making use of this plus key over here. So you can definitely see plus key is working with the sound, vibration, and all of these toggles, though the UI elements needs a little bit of fixing, but most of this has been reverse engineered to work for this particular device. And this is the OnePlus 13s, so it's not that I'm showing you on a OnePlus 13 or any other device. You can definitely see this is OnePlus 13s. And the installation for this is pretty simple. So for that, you'll have to be on stock ROM, install a TWRP and ADB sideload through TWRP. It's as simple as that. The battery backup is also awesome on this build. So, and the Geekbench score is also higher compared to stock. And you can see all of the other features, exclusive features like charging control and so on. All the evolver features and customization features like themes, lock screen, status bar, quick settings, notifications, power menu, and miscellaneous and other settings. So extremely thanks for our developer for building this ROM for our device. And if you want to show your support, then I will leave his Telegram link in the description. You can join the support group for any type of issues, and also you can subscribe to my channel to be more updated on this particular build. I'll make sure to update you about any changes to this build or any important things that you should know.